Welcome back, everybody. So today we are in our kitchen. Now, you've probably seen this in the background of some of our videos, like our Halloween walkthroughs and a couple of my cooking videos, but we tend not to really showcase our kitchen too much because we have lived here for 10 years and we've barely touched this room. It was the one room when we moved in that we thought we should probably renovate at some point, and now it is that point. We are finally going to start a renovation project, and I wanted to take you along with me. It's going to be a very long process. It's probably going to take us about 4 months or so to get this done, but I wanted to, again, take you along. So let me introduce you to our kitchen and show you some of the reasons why we are renovating. So our main goal is to increase the functionality of our kitchen while giving it a nice new modern appearance. The main thing that is going to drastically change this kitchen is getting rid of this giant peninsula. This seats at least 6 people. It's just incredibly underused, and it serves little purpose, as does this niche here for an old style tube TV, which we have some boxes in right now. But again, primarily, I think it's a functionality issue. When we come in from the garage carrying our groceries, you have to trek all the way down this little aisle, come across the peninsula, even to just turn on the lights. So with that out of the way, we're going to have an island here right in the middle, so we'll be able to access the kitchen from all sides, and I think that's going to make a world of difference. Aside from that, we're going to be getting rid of all of these cabinets to accommodate that, including the sink. We're going to relocate the sink to the middle of the wall, have cabinets and appliances there. The island will have a cooktop just like it does now. Not quite the behemoth that this modular cooktop is. It was a little bit too big to even replace when we came in and we moved in, and we replaced a few of the appliances. We were going to go with a more stainless steel look, but some of the things we just never got around to, like our big beautiful Sub-Zero refrigerator here, which we absolutely love, but after 25 years or so, it's time to give it a nice retirement. So we were definitely interested in keeping more of the high-end appliance look, and Tom will tell you about that in just a moment.
We decided to go with PoggenPohl, which is a very well-known German kitchen manufacturer. They're well-known for high quality and very modern design. So here we are in the showroom in Atlanta over the summer, and after looking at all the different options, we decided on this autumn gray color for the wall cabinets and a teak wood look for the island and the upper cabinets. A big part of the design is that we wanted the appliances to be concealed as much as possible. So the refrigerator and the freezer are under the panels on the right, and the dishwasher is also concealed within a panel, so it doesn't look like an appliance showroom. For the flooring, we're going with a large porcelain tile in this gray stone-like material. And for the countertops, we're using a Caesar stone quartz called Impera White 5151. For the appliances, we're going with a German brand Miele for the cooking, and Dacor for the refrigeration. And here's the Miele in the gray finish that we're going to have for the speed oven and for the wall oven. And the refrigerator is a push to open, so it's going to be concealed within our panels without any handles. And it's this beautiful stainless steel interior that I really wanted.
So here in the eating area, we're also going to be making some changes. The big thing, the most exciting thing that's going to happen is we're going to be getting rid of this full wall of mirrors. Nobody wants to look at themselves while they are eating dinner. So we're going to get rid of the mirrors, and we're going to transition our focal wall over that's over here with our TV and our buffet to that wall. And then for the middle of the room, we're going to put in a more modern chandelier. We're going to get rid of the crown molding, maybe put something a little bit, again, more modern. And then, of course, we're going to replace our table. Now, Our kitchen cabinets aren't coming from Europe for another 4 months, but we can't wait that long. We've already started buying some appliances and we bought our new kitchen table already. We're very excited, so I thought today we would unbox it, put it out just to get us in the mood, and start transitioning to that more modern appearance. So we had to unbox the table in the garage. It was just too big to fit through our garage door. So Tom is going to go ahead and unwrap it. This was kind of neat. It came with actual gloves so that you can really have the white glove service that we certainly didn't get. We're just going to do it ourselves. These things wouldn't fit me anyway. We did not buy chairs. We haven't picked them out yet. So we're just gonna have to use what we have, but I think we'll be happy. All right, so what do you think? We were a little caught off guard at the height of this table when we put it out. It is a full 2 inches shorter than our old table. However, that is the standard size for a Plattner table. So I think I will get used to it. I actually think it works a little bit better, especially with the chandelier height here. Of course, we're going to be replacing it with something else, maybe something a little more funky that hangs a little bit far down. So I think it's going to work out pretty well. And it really opens up the sightline a little bit more with the openness of the table base. And there's a little bit more room. So this is a 54-inch table. Our old table was 48 inches, so we'll be able to squeeze, I think, 2 more chairs around here if we wanted to, have some friends over if we had any friends. But I think it really works well. I'm happy with it. So let me know what you think in the comments below. And we will keep you updated as we get closer to our kitchen renovation and as we make more progress. We'll take you along on that journey with us. So until then, thanks for watching. Take care, stay safe, see you next time.